Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a design for your social media post or cover, right? So for example, as you can see, we have selected a blank image template in the Canva, and now we are just going to the elements, and here we will be searching for neon. Okay, we are just looking for a neon background, right? Whatever the background you like the most, you can simply select that, right? It is not necessary to select the same background which I am selecting over here. You can do it by your own, right? So for example, I just want this one, so I have selected this one, and now I will simply set this image as background, and now I will search for neon circle. Okay, in all we have some graphics of neon circle, right? And I'm going to select this one, and now what we are going to do is we are going to search for frame. Okay, and in the all we are going to add a circular frame. Okay, and now we are just going to add an image of man. Thank God, sir, this time you have searched for man. Yeah, thank me later in the comment section, right? So whatever the image you want, you can simply select that particular image. Here for example, I am just looking for a good handsome man like me. Okay, now we are going to remove the background and we are going to place this image over here. Okay, it's done. Sir, can we increase and decrease the size? Yeah, you can, my friend, you can. Okay, you can double tap over it and then you can put it over here. You can also send this layer to backward, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to search for neon smoke or color smoke, right? Color smoke, and there are plenty of color smoke images available, right? You can select any of them, whatever the smoke color you want. For example, I am just selecting this one is smoke, right? And now I'm going to duplicate this and put some smoke over here, and here we are going to change the color of this smoke to this one, the pink one. Okay, now we can also add some more smoke if it is required, right? And we can change the color again to whatever the color you want, right? So this is how you can create some good social media cover photo for your social media accounts. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.